The Facebook Pixel is a small piece of code that you copy onto your website. With the Pixel, you can bring back website visitors or find new people who will likely make a purchase or become a lead. The Pixel can also help you understand the actions people take on your website, the performance of your Facebook ads, and more. To get started, open Ads Manager and go to the Pixel section. Then, create and name your Pixel. If someone else manages your website, choose Email Instructions. Or, if you're using a supported website platform, choose Use an Integration. If you have access to your website's code, choose the Manual Install option. Next, copy and paste the Pixel code into the head tag of your website. As people visit your website, your Pixel should begin measuring activity. You can check that your Pixel is working by visiting Events Manager.